Let's start your investment journey.
Hi and welcome to another edition of our weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday the 19th of April. We have another busy week ahead of us, which starts with Japanese trade balance data on Monday. On Tuesday, we should be on the lookout for PBOC rate decision and also UK unemployment rate. Going forward, UK consumer price index data, in addition to Bank of Canada interest rate decision and statements, and US crude oil inventories will be closely watched on Wednesday. On Thursday, the main point of interest is reserved for ECB rate decision and press conference. Also, US jobless claims data is due. The week will finish on Friday with UK retail sales figures and UK, Eurozone and US services and manufacturing PMI data. The US earnings will continue with IBM, Coca-Cola, Netflix, Snapchat, Johnson & Johnson, Halliburton, eBay, Verizon, Intel, AT&T, Tesla, Chevron, American Express and Alphabet. Now, let's take a look at few markets. Let's start with German 30, which had a bullish breakout higher on Friday, creating new all-time high. Sideways consolidation over the past week or so. Overall, the market is still bullish, creating higher lows. The current price is trading above multiple rising moving averages, and it's supported by multiple rising trend lines. Key trading level going forward is at 15,320, so pull back to that breakout level and a move higher, or a continuation to the upside could target additional resistance at 15,600, 700, 800, 16,000. Take your pick. Alternatively, if we see a corrective pullback lower at 15,300 and a loss of that level, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move targeting additional support towards 15,200, 15,140. Nasdaq bullish breakout higher as well. The current price action is creating the sequence of higher lows. The current price action is supported by multiple rising moving averages and also trend lines. And more importantly, the current price action is above previous all-time high from February. So pullbacks to that level, which would be our key trading level at 13,900, 13,850, and a rally from there, or the continuation from the current levels and a breakout above current swing high at 14,060 could indicate continuation to the upside, targeting additional resistance at 14,100, 200, 300, yet again uncharted territory, take your pick. Alternatively, if we see a gradual move lower and a loss and end of day close below 13,850, a retest of that level from underneath, that could open the way for a gradual move lower, targeting additional support at 13,800. Euro dollar, we saw a bullish oversold bounce back, but the current price action in daily time frame is still within this consolidation structure here, with one to possibly third touch to the upside of this falling resistance trend line. Key trading level going forward is at around 120, 120.50. So a rally higher, a breakout above 120 could then trigger continuation to the upside, targeting 121, 121.70, possibly even higher towards 122, 123. Alternatively, if we see a rally and then rejection here, then all of this could possibly indicate a potential formation of the left shoulder here, potential head, and then a right shoulder development here, which would indicate a further sideways consolidation and indecision in the current price structure. So dip lower and an end of day close below 1.19 could open the way for a deeper corrective move towards 118.30, 118, 117.50, 117 to the downside. Cable, very similar situation. Cable appears to be creating an oversold bounce back. It's currently coming to this falling resistance trend line. Key trading level going forward is at 138.60, possibly 139, this zone here. So a rally and a push higher above 139. Retest of that level from above as a newly found support could open the way for the continuation to the upside, targeting 140, 140, 150, 142, 142.50 on the upside. Alternatively, if we see a rejection at these levels and a gradual move lower and a loss of 138, which is our 20 period moving average, and also a cluster of these previous highs, a retest of that level from underneath that could indicate a deeper corrective move. Therefore, potential retest of these lows at 137.40, 136.80. Dollar Japanese yen, corrective pullback lower, but overall price action is still uptrending because we have a sequence of higher lows. We have a rising support trend line, and the price action is still supported by 50 period moving average and 200 period moving average. So key trading level going forward is at 108, 107.50 to the downside. So pullback to that level and rally or a gradual move higher from the current lows and a breakout above 109 could trigger extension to the upside, continuation of this upward move, therefore dollar bullishness, targeting 110, 110.40, 111. Alternatively, if we see a gradual move lower and an end of day close below 107.50, possibly a weekly close below that level and a retest of that level from underneath as a newly found resistance, that could trigger deeper corrective move towards 107, 106.50 to the downside. Lastly, let's talk about gold. Gold had a bullish breakout higher above 1750. Positive divergence here, which we were talking about over the past couple of weeks. Double bottom here, price is creating the same low, the indicator is creating higher low. The key trading level was at 1750. Finally, we saw a breakout and end of day close above 1750, which is indicating a possibility of the continuation to the upside within this consolidation structure, targeting initial resistance at 1800, 1827, 1855, which would be then a retest of 200 period moving average and also this falling resistance trend line. Alternatively, if we see a pullback lower and a loss of these current lows at 1750 and then in particular 1730 to the downside, that could negate the bullish breakout, potentially opening the way for a deeper corrective move lower, targeting additional support at 1700, 1680 yet again. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, stay safe and happy trading. Bye for now.
Let's start your investment journey.